Is it better to eat global or to eat local food? What do these terms mean? Is it possible to compare the performance of global and local food chains? In order to answer these questions, the European Union has commissioned Glamur, a multidisciplinary research project that has involved a consortium of 15 different partners from 10 European countries. 5 dimensions: economic, ethical, health, environmental and social have guided the Glamur research, which has identified several attributes, 24 in all, to evaluate the performance of a food chain. The research has applied different tools and methods to analyze, for example, the environmental impact of a food chain in terms of its production, consumption and disposal cycle, the hidden costs that make up the price of a product, the degree of resource efficiency of different productive systems, and the social perception of global and local food chains. 7 food products have been analyzed in the Glamur project: bread, pork meat, cheese, wine, tomatoes, apples and berries. For each product, global and local food chains have been studied by researchers in 2 different countries. Pairing the product case studies in this way made it easier to compare the results. The Glamur project has shown how the assessment of a food chain in terms of its sustainability requires a multidimensional and multi-scale approach. Local chains were shown to be drivers of innovation that help to improve the sustainability of the whole food system and often better represent the interests of farmers and rural communities. For this reason, they deserve special attention. The disparity of power relations between local and global chains is a key distinguishing feature. However, while in some contexts global chains marginalize local chains, in other cases the 2 chains coexist or overlap. Studying the dynamics and connections between global and local food chains helps to discover sustainability paths. It shows where practices and assessment tools can be improved, and it guides the behaviors of food chain actors, including the final consumer.